Hey James, my name's Tony. I'm with Groove Web Services right here out of Bradenton. Reached out to your company a little earlier today, spoke to Sky and let her know that I wanted to shoot you guys over a quick video. She was nice enough to provide an email address and your name so I could go ahead and send this over to you. All I want to do today is just give you guys a couple of tips to help you increase your online presence in a way that actually helps you generate more business via your website. Video will be about 6 to 8 minutes long, nothing crazy. I do this as a free service to small business owners. The only thing I ask is if you guys find any value in it, to just reply to the email, let me know what you thought. Any feedback helps me make a better video for the next company that I shoot one of these for. So with that, what I want to do is compare your website to a couple of your main competitors and go over some of Google's main ranking factors. So let's head over here to Google. I'm going to look up roofers, Sarasota, roofer, there it is, roofer Sarasota. This one gets searched fairly often in the Sarasota area. So what we get is here, it's some sponsored ads, the Google Guaranteed and Google AdWords. We're not going to go over those today. Below that is your Google Map Pack. So this is super important for businesses like yourself. About 70% of the searches that happen for these keywords, searchers will actually call or click one of these companies in the Map Pack. The main way to get your actual Google My Business listing up here is through something called a citation. What a citation is your company name, address, phone number, and website listed out on directory sites around the web. These are sites like yellowpages.com, Yelp, Angie's List, Thumbtack, and there's like 400 of them. You could do a quick Google search for citation websites and you'll get a list a mile long. Add your company to 10 to 20 a week for some number of weeks, and over time your listing will actually start rising to the top here. You just got to be really careful that you're consistent with the way you're inputting that information across those directories. So below that is the the organic results. The organic results are more affected by backlinks than they are citations. So what a backlink is your company's email address in a clickable format out on another website. So what you want to make sure is that you get relevant, powerful backlinks, because not all backlinks are created equal. Just because somebody has 1,000 backlinks doesn't necessarily mean that's a good thing. An example of a good backlink for you might be on a home improvement website, having your URL there. What you can do sometimes is actually provide like a blog content piece for a roofer blog or a home improvement blog or website. And oftentimes the webmasters will give you a link back to your site. That would be a pretty powerful backlink for you. Okay, so ranking factor. So we got citations and backlinks. Ranking factor number 3 is content. So what I'm actually going to do is open up the first actual roofer here, and then Yoder's the next one down the list. And we're going to just look at content on the 3 of your sites. So content's nothing more than the words and images on your homepage here. We suggest 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. Google really highly values well-written, authoritative content. It wants to serve the best experience possible up to its users. So those sites that have the most well-written content generally seem to rise to the top in the rankings. Not only that, it allows you to get the keywords on your website that people are looking for in your area when they are searching for your services. So you've got storm roofing and repair in Bradenton, Florida. That's a kind of a keyword, key phrase, but it's not something specifically somebody would search for. So let's go ahead and look at Yoder here. A little bit of text there. Roofing repair experts in Sarasota, Bradenton and Venice. So that's somewhat of a keyword. Q&A, that gets you some extra content, reviews, and then we're at the bottom. So they're not doing too hot on the content front either. That means it's easy to beat them, which is good. Roofing by Curry, these guys are towards the top. A little bit of content above, their services, and we're hitting the bottom. So moral of the story is easy to beat content-wise, which is good for you. And why do I have Alclay? Oh, iCloud is bugging me here. All right, so we're going to take Curry URL and throw it here in Ahrefs. This gives us an estimation of what Google knows about a website. So remember we were talking about backlinks. They're saying that Curry has 1,500 backlinks across 176 websites. They're being found for approximately 1,400 keywords. And this organic, I think there's a bug in this program right now, to be completely honest. I don't think that number's right at all. So I'm sorted here. I clicked into the keywords. I'm sorted by traffic. So the highest traffic keyword is going to be here. That's their company name. Call Curry, roofing by Curry. The first keyword that I'm interested in is here, roofing contractor, Sarasota, Florida. Searched 80 times. They're in position 1 for this. It's getting them 31 clicks. Sarasota roofing contractor. So it's sort of flipped around. This is the niche city. This is city niche. 80 searches as well. They're in position 1, 31 searches. These are called buyer intent keywords. So these are the ones we're interested in. So if you add all of these buyer intent keywords up, I think these guys have about 200 traffic. Say they close 10% of that, 20 new roofs a month, organic traffic, not paid. I'd take that any day. Let's compare that to your site. Um, 139 backlinks from 39 websites, found for 121 keywords, getting about 81 clicks, it says. Where are we getting the clicks from? So the first one is 35 clicks from Storm Roofing. So that's your name, Manatee, Storm Roofing and Repair, Roofing Bradenton. 100 searches for Roofing Bradenton. So you could really, if you wanted to, get Bradenton and Sarasota keywords on your website and rank for both, and really rank up the, or crank up the traffic. You're on page 2 for this, so you're not getting very many clicks. Roofing Bradenton FL, that's a different keyword, 60 searches, you're on page 2. So your backlink profile needs work. And I would say that you could definitely throw those. Here's Roof Repair Sarasota, 30 searches, you're on page 3. So you've got some Sarasota keywords, but you could get more. So moral of the story is your traffic is not coming from buyer intent keywords. You're missing out on some of that free traffic and free traffic to your website that Curry is getting. So that's all I got for you today. I don't want to drag this on too long. I could go on forever. I hope this was useful. If it was, as I mentioned earlier, I would love some feedback. Just reply to the email. Let me know what you thought. Obviously, I do this for a living, so if the information I gave you is not something you can take and work on this on your own, or you just don't want to, I'm obviously here to talk to and to help if you're at all interested. So with that, I'll let you go. Thank you for watching if you did. Have yourself a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.